guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a whole house speed clean, so whether you're cleaning along with me today or you're relaxing with your feet up and a nice cup of tea, let me know down in the comments what you're up to, and also leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's just jump straight into it. I wanted to start off in the kitchen today, giving it a good tidy, putting everything where it belongs, and also putting away the washing up that I did the night before, as well as doing some washing up that was left this morning, because there's always washing up to be done. So I just want to whiz round and give everything a good tidy and a good declutter. So once everything's been put away, I want to crack on with the kitchen sink, and I'm going to start off by using the Cif cream. I absolutely love this product. I think it smells beautiful and it works wonders, so I always use that whenever I'm giving it a good deep clean. And I also found this festive Christmassy minky in B&M the other day, and I can't tell you how excited I am to have a Christmas minky. I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to go throughout and scrub everything down and just make it super clean and super shiny. Once I've given it a good clean, I then like to go in with a dry microfiber cloth and just give it a good wipe over, getting rid of any bubbles and soap and just completely drying it off before then going in with the white vinegar spray. And I think this just buffs it up so well. It makes it super shiny. I absolutely love it. So just going in with the same dry microfiber cloth with the white vinegar spray just to buff it up and make it super shiny. I'm now going to go ahead and fill up my sink with hot water and some Zaflora. I am in love with the winter spice scent at the moment. I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to put a few capfuls in some hot water so I can use that water to clean over all of the sides and the cupboards and just disinfect everything.
The woman that I love, it's too bad she'll never know. I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I'm.
So once I've given them a good clean, I'm going to go back in with the white vinegar spray and just give them a good wipe over and make them super shiny. This stuff is so good to help buff things up and make it shiny. So if you have any glossy worktops like I do, or mirrored furniture, or any chrome or anything like that, and you really want it to shine, I definitely recommend you use the white vinegar spray.
She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She won't she's with someone.
So I'm now going to go in and clean the hob with the same Zaflora water just to disinfect everything and make sure everything is nice and clean, and then I'm going to go in again with the white vinegar spray just to buff it all up and make it nice and shiny. Finally time for me to sort out this cupboard. I've just been shoving everything in, and as you can see it's just an absolute state now. So I have managed to clear a section on this cupboard. The bottom is still full of miscellaneous bits and bobs that I don't really know what to do with, but I have given myself an extra shelf at the top, so hopefully I can get this all decluttered and organised.
But when you're not, it's getting much harder, and I'm falling down, I'm falling down. I see your face on all of the pages.
So I'm just going to go in with a normal anti-bac wipe just to give it a good wipe over, get rid of any residue that the bottles had left before I can start putting everything back in. I thought it would be a good time to give it a good clean. So now I can just organise everything that I've got, getting rid of all of the empty bottles and just keeping what I actually need. So much better. I can now see what I've got. I've kept everything that I use every day just along the front, so I can just grab it and go, along with my sponges and cloths. And in this cupboard I've decided to keep all of my washing detergent and everything together because it just makes more sense to have it in a cupboard with all of my other cleaning products. And I've also put all of the bathroom stuff in this one as well because it was such a nightmare trying to dig it out of the back of that cupboard. So now I can just see everything I've got and it's just easy to grab and go.
If I got $1 for every time.
So I'm now just going to give the living room a quick tidy up and put everything back where it belongs, including the tissue that is just randomly on the sofa. I don't like keeping them in the packaging. I always take it out and we have like a tissue wall, and I just like having it like that. I hate seeing it packaging and it just looks so much neater in the cupboard. So I'm just going to go ahead and sort all that out and make it look nice and neat. Next I'm going to go in with my Pledge surface cleaner and just give everything a good polish. I do always take the decorations down so I can dust underneath them because it is surprising how much dust still gets under there even though there's decorations out. So I'm just going to move everything out the way so I can give it a good wipe over.
Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. No, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle
now going to go ahead and use the Glade Shake and Back on the carpets. I found this when I was doing the declutter in the kitchen and I realised I haven't done this for such a long time, so I'm going to go ahead and do that today. I'm using the scent in the lemon and I'm just wondering if there's a Christmassy scent or a wintry scent in the same sort of thing. Because it is the lemon scent, it's more spring, summer, and I would love it if there was a cinnamon or just a wintry scent. I don't know if there is. If there's not, there really should be, but I am going to try and look for something that has a bit more of a wintry feel.
Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play. And you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game.
Once I've got everything hoovered up, I'm going to go in with my Febreze fabric freshener and just spray over all of the sofas and the curtains and all of the throws and everything and just make it super fresh. So I'm now going to head upstairs and give all of the rooms up there a bit of a tidy and a refresh. I always like to make my bed first thing in the morning, but sometimes it just doesn't happen. But as long as I get it done before bed, I'm happy. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now and also go back in with my Pledge surface cleaner and give everything a good dust just to freshen it all up and make it nice and clean. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the laundry as well.
Maybe we run so fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast? Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Beyond our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we roll so fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I do remember tears on the left.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. Don't forget to subscribe for lots more motivation every single week if you haven't already, and also go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up, and I will see you back here in the next one.